Today, I would like to share a little technique that I use when dealing with prompts that are not all that precise and when I'm a little bit lazy prompting. The reason for that is a comment under a previous video, and there the user meme for one, he expressed a couple of things that a lot of us feel, I guess. One of them being how difficult it can be to write good prompts to get you the detail and accuracy you require, right? And of course, ideally we would start with a really good prompt, and tools like Querino AI and a bunch of other ones, they help with really good prompts. But the reality is a lot of times we are probably in a hurry and then we just write really short and imprecise prompts. Now let's go to an LLM which is actually good at fuzzy prompts and good at writing, which is Claude, Claude.ai. And let's give it a prompt that is not ideal. We just say explain the difference between Wi-Fi and internet in one sentence. And Claude, being Claude, is not bad at that. Wi-Fi is a wireless technology that connects your device to a local network, in brackets like your router. Well, that's a little bit wordy and a tiny little bit abstract, right? But we didn't tell Claude for which audience this is, what style it should be, what are our constraints, none of that. Now the prompt was really lazy. So now the technique. What I can say without really thinking about this is this: critique your previous answer and improve it. Just like that. Now let's see what it comes up with. It says the answer is accurate but slightly redundant and so on. Improved version. Wi-Fi is simply how your devices connect wirelessly to a router. The internet is a global network that router connects to. That's much better, much better. But let's try it again. Critique your previous answer and improve it, without saying what to critique or how to improve it, just like that. But it's smart. Now it said, simply is a filler that adds no meaning. And that router connects to is a weak ending. Okay, now, Wi-Fi is how your devices connect wirelessly to a router. The internet is a global network on the other side of it. Wow, that's it. That's a sentence right there. That's cool. You can use that very often, let's say, in a lot of situations and with a variety of LLMs. I mean, something like ChatGPT is anyway not so good with fuzzy prompts, so there you might use it more often. And for our viewer, meme for one, I like your comment a lot, and I've got more ideas, but I will bring that in future videos. I don't want to make this too complicated. For all the other viewers, if you like such techniques, and if you've got other problems, issues, feelings about LLMs, let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do about it. Definitely subscribe if you want to see more. Then I'll see you in the next one.